My name is Ian O'Connor. I'm working for the Centre for Research into Atmospheric Chemistry. We're part of the Environmental Research Institute. In total, in our group, there's about 20 researchers, 8 of which are directly involved in this project. This project, the Elipse Project, is basically trying to determine the contribution of shipping towards the total pollution in Cork harbour. In our site here at Tivoli Docks and the Port of Cork, we have a range of instruments, some of which are collecting and measuring the amount of important pollutant gases in the air. We measure for nitrogen oxides, sulfur dioxide and ground level ozone. Also at Tivoli Docks we're collecting and measuring the concentration in the air of particulate matter. Particulate matter is any solid or liquid particle suspended in the air. For example, soot, smoke, or any dust or dirt of a certain size. So by collecting particulate matter, going back to the lab and analysing it, we can pick out certain constituents which act as markers. If we know the markers, we can then match these to the sources of the pollution. So for example, usually here in Tivoli Docks there'll be a ship in berth just behind us. The ship will come in with its full engines on. It'll stay in port for maybe 3 or 4 hours at a time running its engines. The type of fuel used to fuel the engines is called bunker fuel. Bunker fuel is a very dirty version of crude oil, which has a lot of contaminants. So when the bunker fuel is combusted, those contaminants will be released into the air in a form of emission in gas phase or in particulate phase. So by identifying the particulates that the bunker fuel can release into the atmosphere, we can then identify and separate the contribution from shipping to the overall contribution in Cork harbour. Shipping is actually a very efficient form of moving heavy goods, and it's vital for the Irish economy and for the global economy. So once us scientists can produce the information, pass it on to the governments to legislate, we can continue on with shipping as a vital form of transport, but in a more sustainable way.